Hey, my name is Leanne, and we just had our garage doors done. Actually, what started the project was we had our front door made. It's a wrought iron front door, and we wanted our garage doors to sort of resemble the front door. And so I called Carlos. Actually, I'd met Carlos at Frazee Paints, and he told me what he was capable of doing, so I had him come up and to see if he could do our garage doors to match the front door. And as you can see, it turned out perfect. Actually, it turned out better than I thought it was going to turn out. Everything was done very professionally. I actually went on his website and looked up the company, and everything was done professionally, very clean, actually very faster than I thought it was going to take. I thought it would take longer than it did, and we've come up with the perfect door.